welcome to English Study Hour. Today we are talking about two words, so and such. These two words have similar meaning. They mean very. Let's look specifically at how and when, in which sentences we're going to use these words. First of all, we will start with the word so. We use so when we have a single adjective or an adverb after it. For example, the task was so difficult. The green sofa is so comfortable. As we see from these sentences, after the word so, we use the words comfortable or difficult and nothing else. We don't continue the sentence. We simply say so difficult or so comfortable. Number two, we use the word so if after the adjective or an adverb there is a sentence. So the sentence is going on. In this case, we have to also add a linker that. And the full form is so plus adjective or an adverb plus that and the rest of the sentence. Let's look at examples. Number one, Hannah was so tired that she couldn't cook anything yesterday. Hannah was so tired. In this sentence, we have the combination of the words so tired that. We use this combination because we are going on with the rest of the sentence. We explain what happened because of her tiredness. We continue the sentence. Because of this, we have to use the combination of so plus adverb or adjective plus a linker that. And one more example. Leo was so angry that he didn't say a word to David. And again, we are seeing the similar situation. We continue the sentence. We explain what happened because Leo was angry. What happened? What is the result of his state being angry? Leo was so angry that he didn't say a word to David. He was so angry that. After so, we use a word that describes feeling of Leo, and then we use a linker that because we are going on with the sentence. Number three, we use the word so together with the words many, much, few, or little. For example, there were so many people at the restaurant. Sandra spent so much money on her new car. So many people, so much money. As you see, we use so plus many much plus a noun. So we have to complete this word combination with the noun. We use the word so together with the words many, much, few, little plus a noun and a linker that if we would like to continue the sentence. Let's look at examples. There are so many speakers at this conference that I cannot even remember their names. So many speakers that I can't even remember their names. So many speakers, our combination so plus many plus noun. And then we have the linker that because we continue the sentence. And one more example. We spent so much time on this project that we couldn't finish the other paperwork. Now it's time to talk about the word such. We use the word such together with adjective plus a noun. Here we have two options. If our noun is singular, before the adjective we have to place an article a or an. So the form is such, a, an, one of them, adjective plus a noun in a singular form. For example, it is such a delicious ice cream, or It is such an interesting book. However, we can also have a plural noun in the sentence. In this case, we use such with no article after it, then adjective and a noun. For example, these are such serious questions. These are such gigantic buildings. As we see from these examples, we don't place any articles before the adjectives. Such gigantic buildings, no article "e" or "n" because the noun buildings is used in plural form. And another possibility to use such in a sentence is when we place that, a linker that, to continue the sentence. So the full form is such plus adjective, noun, and a linker that to continue the sentence. Let's look at examples. It was such a comfortable car that we immediately decided to buy it. Sandra had such an exciting journey that she told me again and again about it. As we see, here we have two parts of the sentences. In the first part, we use our combination such plus adjective plus a noun. Then we place the linker that, and after this linker, we continue the sentence. If you learned something new from this lesson, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you!